We got?
Phone.
Is it Daddy's phone?
No.
It is Daddy's phone. Who's on the phone, Annabelle? Who's on the phone? Tell me.
Hello, Beast. You wait a minute, you go and take the front some of that. But I will leave you back soon.
What's the matter?
Bed.
The bed? You want to come up?
Yay.
Why don't you climb up the end? Go around the end and climb up there, because you can do it then. She might climb on your laptop, Chris. I'd watch it.
How are you?
You've still got Daddy's phone?
Yeah.
You monkey. Oh, did you fall? Hello.
A ball.
You fall. Get up. Be careful. Ah, hello.
Thanks for the piccolo. Is it double C?
Oh, I think it's double L. Are you on the bed?
No, it's double
Where's the phone?
A phone.
Are you stuck?
No.
I think you are. I think Annabelle's stuck. Let's go that way. He's stressed out. Child.
A chicken.
Do you want some bread?
Bed.
Want some bread?
Bed.
No, just bite it. Just bite.
No.
Take it off me then, thanks. Is it nice? Daddy, here's your phone.
Thanks, I have that now.